Good morning. I'm gonna go drop off this wedding invitation in the post office, and then I'm gonna go to work. Alright, so this is for the baby ones, tegami, letters, hagaki, don't know what that means, and then bigger stuff. Pop it into this little one. Okay, should be good. On my way home, and right before I left, the principal gave me this little cake that was kind of like a cheesecake, but it's like a cheese sponge cake. So good. It's from this shop called Fujiya. So delicious. Apparently it's famous all over Japan. Never heard of it though. And then they gave me senbei as well. Rice cracker. Hey, the sky looks pretty. Yeah. Okay, I've been really scared that something was wrong with like my electricity or my utilities. But finally, I received my first electricity bill. It's a good thing in English it actually says electricity bill. Let's pop it open. I'm very nervous because there was one day I left the air conditioner on the whole day, like when I went to work. I was like, wow, it's really warm. Oh crap, I left the air conditioner on. And then also, I've been using, the heater a lot. Apparently, the electricity is it costs a little higher right now because of the pandemic. I can pay this off using Konbini Pay. So I just go to the convenience store. It looks like it's about $30. Is that correct? I guess so. I mean, that's all I see on here. 3,137 yen. That's about $30. I don't know if that's very expensive or not, but $30 sounds reasonable. And the other thing is I'm here over the sink because I wanted to try this. Itadakimasu. Very traditional rice cracker. Look at how it glistens. So good. Just finished watching episode 8 of the final season of Attack on Titan. Crazy stuff happens. Can't believe that one person died. Oh, you don't know who's gonna die. We out here in the intersection that takes forever. Omachi kudasai. I'm on my way home. I didn't think I'd be able to ride my bike because I basically had kind of like a mini cramp on both legs, or it was like an almost cramp type of thing. I stopped mid-round. Looks like I can bike home, but my right thigh. We're gonna check out this little drugstore right here. See if it's any good. Hope they're still open. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Demon Slayer snacks. Zetsu. Muzan. The spider boy. The crying boy. I think they're 24 hours. Just looking for some meat. I don't have a lot. Understandable. Maybe I'll just put some tofu in there. Let's grab that guy. Check out this American pork. It looks sad. It looks so sad. Alright, I'm back home. Pretty fun time at kickboxing. So when I showed up, there was the owner, a girl, someone else showed up. Never seen him before, so I was like, who is this kid? He looked kind of young too, but I thought he was maybe high school. But no, he's a middle schooler. 3rd year in middle school. So I was like, oh, so your English class, who's your teacher, your English teacher? When he said the name, I was like, I know that guy. Of course, if they're in this city, they're going to be in the same program. If they're middle schoolers or elementary school students. High school students, our program doesn't deal with them. It's pretty cool though that he tried his best to speak English with me a little bit, here and there. My right thigh just got destroyed by leg kicks. And then soon after, my left calf. I don't know why, it's always my left calf. But just alright, I'm about to cramp up. You better be ready. So good thing I stopped, otherwise I wouldn't be able to bike home. Got some tofu. Gonna cook this up. Gonna use basically the same ingredients as yesterday. Shiitake, enoki, eggplants, spring onion, carrot, big ass Napa cabbage. The cool thing is this tefal pot right here. So it comes with this cover in case I want to put stuff into the fridge. But I just didn't because it's not super warm anyways. That 750 gram Akakara sauce was perfect for this pot when you fill it up with veggies. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna reuse it, even though it looks a little bit nasty. Should be fine. Then I'm gonna add maybe a little bit of some mix, something. This is the third use now, but I still have this much cabbage. Yo! This is like for a week. The inside parts look a lot prettier color-wise. Little bits of damage from like the grub worms that were burrowing through. Alright, so I put in more spring onions, like one more leaf of Napa cabbage. Bubbling up! I put a little bit of this yasashi vinegar and a bit of like soy sauce. And I cut up some tofu and we're almost ready. Alright, it's been like 15 minutes. That's probably good. I'm just gonna turn it off. Beep, beep. And then that's when I'm gonna put the tofu in. Yoop. And then I just give it a bit of a mix. Whoop. Yoop. Alright. Just gonna use spoons this time. Brand new spoons. Ooh, still that same spiciness, but I feel like the sweetness is coming out more. Spring onion. Eggplant. See what this carrot is like. Carrot is actually exhibiting carrot-like taste. See some shiitake that has some enoki kind of on top of it. Ay! It fell. Shiitake has such an interesting taste. A little bit of a meat-like taste to it. I'm so full. Ate all of that. And ate the entire pot. Filled with veggies and tofu. I gotta chillax.